Alright, Evan, here you go. We're gonna go to 7. We're not going to 7R though. So you just go into 2. These are on the Posner right behind the main ones. Here we go. That buzz stuff. Kind of looks like the one in
Second floor.
Wildfire. Hello. Has code blue over here. I think we're only going to take one ride on these because they're busy. He's going to 5R. These are adjacent to the main ones, like I said. I think I already set that though, but here we go. Sorry, to this side here. We'll take one last cab view. Very nice elevator. And here at 6. Listen to that motor. Okay, well.
7th floor.
That is all.